Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check your login activity on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After this, you can go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can scroll down here. You can now tap on two-factor authentication, and after the process is loading you can see the different four options. Here you can now tap on forget devices, and here you can see your login activity on Snapchat. You can remove the devices that you doesn't know. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.